but I'm gonna need your help.
You're right. You do need my help.
Get her.
I am disappointed, Major.
I'm not surprised.
Tell me, were you even tempted?
Not really.
I thought I was so eloquent.
You have
Good
your
girl.
moments. But the fact of the matter is, I've already been where you're going. I've lived the life you're choosing. Fighting getting violence out of gun. Hate and adrenaline. It's not much of a life. And it eats
It's
away
like a little
at you
piranha
slowly.
just chewing on you.
Very inspiring, Major. But I don't have any choice in this. No more than you had. You fought against us.
No, I don't suppose you do.
Hey, come get your dinner. It's ready.
Well,
Okay.
all that's left is for you to wish me luck.
That's
This
not
is
quite
too
all.
cute.
There's still Zio.
What about it?
The life you're choosing isn't for her. She deserves better.
She deserves to be with her father. You taught me that. I love her.
I know you do. And that's why you gotta let her go.
Go? Where? She's not welcome on Cardassian or Bejor. This is the only place she belongs.
Good girl, Ian. Good girl.
That's not true.